Today I've got an amazing hack for you for your garden. If you want a natural, budget-friendly way to boost your garden's health and vitality, look no further than your kitchen. And I want you specifically to get eggshells. Eggshells are amazing and they can work wonders for your plants. And in this video, I'm going to dive into the fantastic ways you can use eggshells in gardening. Why eggshells? So before we jump into the how-to part, let's understand why eggshells are a fantastic addition to your gardening routine. Eggshells are rich in calcium, which is a vital nutrient that plants need to grow and develop. Additionally, they also contain other essential minerals such as magnesium and potassium, making them an all-natural fertilizer. Plus, eggshells act as a natural pest deterrent, keeping unwanted critters away from your precious plants. So the first step in utilizing eggshells for your garden is preparing them for your soil. So after you've enjoyed your eggs for breakfast, rinse the shells thoroughly to remove any remaining egg white. Once they're clean, allow them to air dry. When you've collected a good amount of eggshells, it's now time to crush and grind them. You can use a mortar and pestle or rolling pin or even a blender in order to turn the eggshells into fine powder. Now this step ensures that the shells break down quickly in the soil, releasing their nutrients effectively. The easiest ways to incorporate eggshells into your gardening routine is simply by adding them to your compost pile, so that as the shells decompose, they enrich the compost with calcium and other minerals, creating a nutrient-dense blend that your plants will love. Simply crush the eggshells and toss them in the compost bin along with your other kitchen waste. Over time, you'll notice that your compost becomes finer and darker, ready to nourish your garden. Now, eggshells can also be used as a biodegradable seed starters. And in order to do this, I want you to carefully crack the wider end of the egg, remove the egg content that you can actually use for cooking, and rinse the shell. Poke a small drainage hole at the bottom for excess water to escape. Fill the shell with potting soil and plant your seeds. Once the seedlings are ready to be transplanted, you can go ahead and directly plant the eggshell and seedling into the ground. The shell will naturally decompose, providing an extra calcium boost to the growing plant. Eggshells can also help to deter pests like snails and slugs, which are notorious for mulching on your delicate plants. Crushed eggshells sprinkled around the base of vulnerable plants act as a natural barrier, keeping these slimy intruders at bay. The sharp edges of the crushed shells deter pests without harming your plants or the environment, making it a safe and eco-friendly pest control solution. There you have it, a simple, natural and effective way to use eggshells in your garden. Not only are you reducing kitchen waste by repurposing eggshells, but you're also providing your plants with essential nutrients and protection against those nasty pests. So the next time you enjoy a delicious egg-based meal, don't throw these shells away. Instead, let them work their magic in the garden, transforming it into a thriving, beautiful greenery space.